Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be talking about Polygon. Now, currently, Polygon is recovering from a correction like many of the other cryptocurrencies that we follow. Now, looking over at the crypto market, we can see that this last 24 hours, we have a lot of crypto on the move. We got Bitcoin up more than 2%, Ethereum up nearly 3%. We have many of the altcoins that are making some pretty big moves. Solana up more than 4%. Cardano up more than 3%. Now, focusing here on Polygon, though, Polygon's up nearly 5% at this moment in the last 24 hours. Now, it's down a lot still from the last 7 days, but Polygon, as far as the whole crypto market goes, Polygon is the 14th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, according to coinmicrocap.com. So, as we talk more about Polygon, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm and help spread this content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. Now, this correction is a bit interesting with Polygon because what Polygon was doing just before we had seen the price correct was we were seeing the price pump up past $1. So it was consolidating quite a bit. And then on August 12th, August 13th, the price really started pumping and it got to that $1 price, or even above that $1 price, to $1.05, and then it saw that correction. So you would expect a correction within the price to happen anyways, especially with those large price pumps that it was having. Now, as far as where the price did correct, from this current pattern that we were on, looking at the Fibonacci retracement from that low point in the middle of June throughout now, we had only seen that price actually do a correction of about 38%. Now, of course, that's a very normal correction that you would see, but some of these other cryptocurrencies, we're seeing them correct more like 50% or even 61% from their patterns. So seeing Polygon have a much lower correction is showing the bullishness that people currently are with it, given the whole thing going on with the Ethereum merge, and how some people are a bit fearful that maybe there might not be much of a future for Polygon with the Ethereum merge. And then there's all those people that are saying, hey, those gas fees with Ethereum are still going to be very expensive. There's still a demand for Polygon. There's going to be a continued demand for Polygon. So there's different sides to how people are viewing Polygon right now. I'm actually invested into Polygon, and pretty much every cryptocurrency that I talk about anyways, I'm invested into them. And I am still actively buying Polygon right now, by the way, as well. Now let's just look over at what's currently going on. So looking at our MACD, we have our MACD having that bullish crossover and plenty of hours now in the green too. Seeing all these candlesticks that we're seeing right now here on the 4-hour chart in the green, looking at the volume activity. This is all great stuff. This is showing that positive price movements within Polygon. Hopefully we're going to continue seeing this throughout the week, given that it's going to be actually a really iffy week. Who knows how it's going to go with crypto, because there's a lot of things really coming up in the news, and that can be something that can have an effect on the price. Or, this correction just could be a sign of all those people kind of pulling some of their profits out just because of what the possibilities of what the news could be in this coming week. So there's multiple factors that are currently going on, but other people are looking at these lower prices right now, and they're looking at the opportunity to buy in and take advantage of this dip. Now, looking at the 2-hour chart and just trying to connect a new pattern within the current price movements of Polygon, if we were just to go off of the original Fibonacci sequence and just look at the wave here within the price, and then the big breakout that we had there that took us into this pattern that we had that, well, we ended up falling out of. It looks like that now we're just continuing this original pattern that we were on. And this could be something that could just, continue us within this pattern and then take us back to where we were at the starting point of that correction happening. So more than likely, we're just going to continue to retrace this Fibonacci sequence and then get back to that $1 price here within the first week of September. I'm thinking that's something that could be a possibility. So for my bullish case scenario, I think that the possibility of us reaching a price around $1 within this next week or within this next 10 days or so, I think is a real possibility of the price retracing back to its previous levels. And also there could be a possibility of a big knee-jerk reaction depending on how the week does go. If we have any news that does affect us negatively, well then everything I'm saying here could change at a moment's notice because, well, crypto's just so unpredictable. So more so speaking to people that are invested into crypto, don't take anything I say as financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, and I'm speaking as somebody that is invested into Polygon. I'm holding Polygon, so I'm speaking as someone that does hold it. Now, I think that's a possibility, though, of seeing Polygon reach that $1 price within this next week or by sometime around September 1st. If not, worst case scenario, we can more than likely just continue moving along within this pattern. And otherwise, if there's some bad news, well, then anything is possible from there. But anyways, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you guys in the next one coming very soon.